Hey guys, welcome back to Keisha's Kitchen. Today we're taking a trip to Egypt to make crispy golden falafel. Place the soaked fava beans into a food processor. Add garlic, green onions, small regular onions, fresh parsley, and blend it briefly, just enough to keep a nice texture. Add a second batch of fava beans, cilantro, green and regular onions, cumin, coriander, and salt, and blend again until you have a nice mixture. Finally, add baking soda and black pepper and give it a last pulse to bring all the flavors together. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for 30 to 60 minutes to help it firm up before shaping. Divide the mixture into 10 to 20 portions and shape them into patties. Add sesame seeds and heat some vegetable oil in a frying pan or pot. Fry your Egyptian falafels over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are golden brown. Drain the balls on a piece of kitchen towel and serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy!